Let's continue to as part of Python for data engineering. In this session, we are going to discuss Python programming indentation rules with examples too. Yeah. So first important rule, there are some important rules. We are going to discuss four important rules too. Four important rules. So every Python programmer must follow these four important rules too. First rule one. Every Python statement should start at column position 0. Okay. So what is the meaning of this one is, first let me open our student workspace and Python for data engineering. Beautiful. Okay, let me open command prompt here. Let's start Python. Okay. So I'm opening Python. Then here cursor is blinking at the position 0. Now I'm writing print I1. Okay. It is working fine. Instead of cursor position 0, I'm moving cursor to next position 1. Then I'm writing I2. Then observe, we got error saying indentation error, unexpected indent. So every statement should start at column position 0. So if you, instead of 0, if you start different position, then we will get error saying indentation error, unexpected indent. Same thing, I am going to execute in notebook. Let me open cursor here. Let's type CMD. I am opening Jupyter space notebook. Press enter. Click on Python for data engineering. Let's say here I'm starting a first statement at column position 0, print I1, which is executed perfectly. What I'm doing, I'm giving one space, then I'm writing print I2, then shift enter, which is also working. But if you observe same statement in this command prompt, we given one space, then we got error. But same I given one space in Jupyter notebook, but it is not giving any error. It is printing output. Understand here, if this is called a cell type, this is called a cell. In cell, if you have only one statement, if you have only one statement, if you have only one statement, if any spaces before that statement, Jupyter notebook removes that spaces. If it is only one statement, assume you have two statements. Let's say first statement, I'm giving one space. I'm writing print I1. Second statement, one. Second statement, I'm writing in column position 0, I2. Third statement, I'm giving 1, 2, 3 spaces. Then I'm writing print I3. Observe, shift enter. First position only it is giving error, saying unexpected indent. If your cell contain multiple statements, then understands it is your requirement. So Python will not remove spaces. Python will not remove spaces. Then first statement it is given indentation error, because every statement should start at column position 0, but the first statement not follow that rule. That's why we got error. Okay, clear writing. Next rule, rule 2. Coming to rule 2, in other programming languages like C, C++, Java, starting block is this one. And we write statement 1 and so on. We write statement n. We write the statement n. So this is starting of any block. This block may be if block, for block, function block, class block. All blocks in C, C++ starts with curly braces. In Python, block starts using colon operator. Block starts using colon operator. Inside a block, we write one statement or multiple statements, depends upon the requirement. Okay, let me write one example so that it will clarify your doubt. Okay, I am taking one if else block, if else block, if condition. If this condition is true, control comes inside this if block and executes this statement. Control comes out of the else block. If this condition is false, then control comes to else block. This is else block start. Inside else block, we have only one statement. After execution, control comes after else block. Okay, let me execute this one. Yeah, we got output is 10 is greater than 5. Okay, now let's understand another important rule. So in C, C++, and Java, starting of a block is this one. Here we write one statement, or we write multiple statements, depends upon the requirement. Then this is end block. This is start of a block. This is end of a block in C, C++, Java. Coming to Python, there is no statement to represent end of a block. There is no separate statement. There is no separate statement to represent end of the block. Then how Python understands block is ended? For that one, understand the different cases. First case 1. I am taking if block with multiple statements. If block with multiple statements. Observe, here block is started. Okay, we taken 3 statements, 1, 2, 3. After third statement, there is no statement. Then Python understands block is ended. Block is ended. This is case 1. Now let's understand the case 2. In case 2, same if block, and I'm taking additionally one more statement. So here, if you take a case 2, these 3 are parts of this block. Block started, and inside a block we have 3 statements. If any block starts equivalent to if block or block statement, if any statement starts equivalent to block statement, before this statement, whatever statements presented, those are only block statements. Okay, let me execute this one. so that we'll get to understand. Welcome 1, 2, 3 is part of a block. You may think welcome 4 also part of block. Let me change this condition. 10 less than 5. Condition is false. Then it will come after if block. After if block, there is only one statement, welcome 4. So it means these 3 is part of block if. Okay. Let's take another case. How Python understands block is ended. If a new statement starts equivalent to block statement, then Python understands block is ended. Next, very, very important rule thing. Inside a block, all statements should follow same indentation. Indentation means spaces to be. Let's say by default, if you create a block, when you press enter, it will give minimum of 3 spaces. Then it will start a statement. It will start another statement. It will start another statement. Statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. 3 statements are in if block. All statements inside a block should follow same indentation, means the same spaces. Okay, so we'll get output. If any statements starts in different other than same indentation, then it will give left and right. Saying A Sreenivas, welcome to is invalid. Let me execute this one. You can say welcome to. Print is indentation, unexpected indent. Because it followed 3 spaces and it followed more spaces than first statement, then this is error. And this is also error. This is also error. Once you fix, you will get this error. Okay, clear writing? Every statement inside a block should follow same indentation. Okay, yeah.